You can spend $15 on pizza in 15 seconds, but saving that same $15 feels like torture. That's not because you're bad with money. It's because your brain is running on an ancient operating system. Stay till the end. I'll share one brain trick that makes saving money feel just as good as eating that perfect cheesy slice. Every month, you start strong. You promise yourself, this time I'll be disciplined. You plan your meals, cut down subscriptions, and tell yourself, no pizza this week. Then Friday arrives. You're tired, hungry, and the app sends you that cursed notification. Buy one, get one, tonight only. And your brain whispers, you earned it. 5 minutes later, your budget app becomes your guilt app. You feel weak, but it's not weakness, it's wiring. Your brain was built to chase rewards, not spreadsheets. See, the word budget sounds smart, but to your brain it screams restriction. And restriction means danger. For thousands of years, your ancestors survived by grabbing food when it was available, not by saving berries for next month. So every time you tell your brain, we're cutting back, it hears, we might starve. That's why budgeting feels unnatural. Your brain is trying to protect you from something that isn't real anymore. Meanwhile, pizza? That's immediate pleasure, warm, safe, and predictable dopamine. Your brain loves certainty more than logic. Budgeting is delayed reward. Pizza is guaranteed reward. So guess which one your neurons vote for? Here's what's actually happening inside. When you plan your budget, you're using your prefrontal cortex, the logical decision maker. It's powerful, but lazy. It loves ideas, not action. When you see pizza, your limbic system, your reward center lights up instantly. It releases dopamine saying, yes, this will make you happy right now. The two sides start an invisible war, logic versus emotion. And emotion almost always wins because it's faster. It's like bringing a calculator to a boxing match. So the real problem isn't discipline, it's delay. Your brain can't feel future rewards. It only reacts to what feels good in the moment. Here's the brain hack. Don't fight dopamine, redirect it. Turn saving itself into a source of pleasure. Every time you hit a small goal, celebrate it. Literally, reward your brain. Use visuals, sound effects, color. Make saving visible and satisfying. Create a mini pizza fund for treats, guilt-free and budgeted. Your brain learns saving equals I still get to enjoy life. Once you connect money habits with positive emotion, your brain stops rebelling, it starts cooperating. And that's how you turn budgeting from punishment into pride. Your brain doesn't hate budgets, it just hates being bored. Feed it smarter rewards, not endless guilt. Because financial freedom isn't about cutting joy. It's about teaching your brain what joy really costs. Train your brain, grow your bank. If your brain just whispered, that's me, hit subscribe before it spends that click somewhere else.